Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be studying class 6 math chapter number 3 integer practice set number 6, 7 and 8 we will be completing in today's video. So let's start with practice set number 6. Because these exercises are smaller, so I have compiled it together and they are correlated to each other, therefore they are coming with just back to back. Okay, so first we will complete 6, then 7 and then 8. So write the opposite number of each of the number given below. So what we will do is we will solve it over here only, children. It is very easy to solve. Opposite of number, तो पॉजिटिव का ऑपोजिट नेगेटिव होगा, प्लस का ऑपोजिट माइनस होगा, माइनस का ऑपोजिट प्लस होगा, isn't it? So you all have to only remember that thing only, that we have to just write the opposite number. So it is extremely easy. 47 is plus 47 मतलब positive 47, so it will change to negative 47, isn't it? Now it is plus 52 means positive 52, it will change to negative 52. Negative 52 or minus 33 will change to plus 33 or positive 33. Minus 84 or negative 84 will change to positive 84 or plus 84. Minus 21, negative 21 or plus 21 or positive 21 is going to be your opposite number of minus 21. Plus 16, minus 16, minus 26, plus 26, plus 80, minus 80. When there is no sign, children, we assume it. Assume मतलब हम उसको मान के चलते हैं कि वो positive number है. Okay, so you have to remember, if there is no sign, that means it is a positive sign. Plus sign होता है. Okay, so here your practice set number 6 is over. Now what we have to do is comparing integers. Compare करना है integers को. So you will see a number line has been given. ये हमने last year भी करा है. A number line has been given. We have to compare the numbers. Now see, all the numbers are written line wise and you will see all the numbers are going on increasing from left to right. मतलब left से right तक जाते जाते सारे numbers increase और bigger होते जाते हैं. They keep on increasing and the number gets bigger. Okay, so negative sign वाले numbers छोटे होते हैं, positive sign वाले numbers बड़े होते हैं. Okay, but if minus 3 and minus 4 and minus 3 is been given, तो उसमें से छोटा नंबर ही हमेशा बड़ा होता है. Always remember the number line. Keep this number series in your mind and this exercise you will be able to solve. It is very easy. छोटा नंबर बड़ा होता है जब नेगेटिव में होता है. ओके, एंड पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव नंबर्स जब साथ में आते हैं तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव नंबर बड़ा होता है. These are the two things you all have to remember, and if you all are not able to remember the rules that I have explained you, the two rules that I have shown you now, तो what you all can do is remember this series. छोटे numbers बड़े होते जाते हैं as we move from left to right. That's it. अगर इतना भी याद रख लिए तो भी हो जाएगा. Over here the same statement has been given. Let's move on to the exercise. This has already been done in the textbook, so we will solve it on the page. So here also you all have to put a proper sign. Compare करके numbers को you all have to put a greater and smaller sign. So minus 4 and 5. So as I said, plus हमेशा बड़ा होता है, so plus is greater. Second one is 8 and minus 10. तो माइनस मैंने हमेशा बोला प्लस जो होते हैं वो बड़े होते हैं, सो 8 इज गोइंग टू बी द ग्रेटर नंबर. नेक्स्ट इज गोइंग टू बी प्लस 9 एंड प्लस 9. सो बोथ आर गोइंग टू बी प्लस. इट इज एन इक्वल नंबर. Fourth one is minus 6 and 0. Now many of you all are going to mark minus 6. Okay, so don't do that mistake. Minus 6 somewhere here over here it will come. पहले आएगा minus 5, फिर आएगा minus 6. Okay, so over here. So see, minus 6 यहाँ पे है and 0 यहाँ पे है, तो कौन सा नंबर बड़ा होएगा? Obviously 0 is going to get a bigger number. So you have to put a bigger sign over here. Okay, don't make mistake, children. Imagine this number line. Okay, हमेशा ये number line याद रख लेना. You will never go wrong. Now the next one is the fifth one, which is 7 and 4. Now both the numbers are greater. अब यहाँ पे भी mistakes करेंगे. 7 will come over here. 6 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, 7 यहाँ पे आएगा. So 7 and 4, which number is greater? Obviously 7 is getting greater क्योंकि see all the signs are moving to the right hand side, तो 7 is going to be a greater number. Okay, you all can even draw a number line and keep it for yourself, children. मतलब अगर कोई गड़बड़ होती है तो you will be able to analyze it. अब -7 and 7, so -7 यहाँ पे आएगा and 7 यहाँ पे आएगा. So कहाँ से बड़े होते जाएंगे numbers? 7. So you have to mark the positive number as the bigger number. Many of you all are making mistakes over here because the concept is not clear. तो पहले कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर लो. दिस इज़ द ईजिएस्ट वे. अगर आप नंबर लाइन याद रख लेते हो, इफ़ यू आर रिमेंबरिंग दिस नंबर लाइन, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू create one number line for yourself when this question you all have to solve. ये solve करने के लिए एक number line बना के रखो and then keep on comparing. Once you have practiced it, your mind is trained for it, I'm sure you will be getting all the answers correct. Now -12 and 5, तो माइनस छोटा होता है प्लस बड़ा होता है. डायरेक्टली you all can follow the rules. 8th one is this was 7th, and 8th one is, I think I have lost one sum over here, that is the 6th one. मैंने ये छोड़ दिया है, I will solve it. That is 3 and 0. This is not the 8th one, this is the 6th one sum, children. This one was the 8th one. यहाँ पे कुछ तो भी numbers की गड़बड़ हो गए. So don't worry, I am solving all the sums. This is the 6th one, then 7th and then 8th. So I am solving this one. 0 बड़ा है या 3 बड़ा है? So 0 is over here, 3 is over here. तो कौन सा बड़ा आ रहा है? 3. Next we will solve the 9th sum, that is -2 and -8. So again -2 यहाँ पे आएगा, -8 यहीं पे कहीं पे पीछे जाते जाएगा. So the numbers is going on increasing. तो -2, the smaller number, is going to be a greater number when it is a -1. Now the 10th one is, I will write all the numbers and then we will compare it. I'll write all the questions. And the 12th one is -14 and -14. अब -1 बड़ा है या -2 बड़ा है? Obviously -1, because don't get confused, -1 and -2, तो कौन सा बड़ा आ जाएगा? Obviously -1. It has been shown over here also. 6 and -3, negative and positive. Positive number बड़ा आएगा. Minus and minus both are having same, so we can show it as is equal to. Now in the previous exercise, that is practice set number 5, over here we did the addition of the integers. Okay, agar ye exercise, if you all haven't watched it, the link has been given in the description box. You all can go and watch it. Just a week before I have posted this video. You all can go and check this video also, because this exercise and subtraction of the integers, that is practice set number 8 over here, is same. There is no difference, only minus sign is there. यहाँ पे सिर्फ minus sign है. Okay, so same we have to solve. We will take one by one number, that is 3 minus 6, 8 minus 6, minus 3 minus 6, minus 2 minus 6. So in this way you all have to take one number from here and then you have to solve it. So let's solve it. That is practice set number 8. So the first one we will do is 3 minus 6. So 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 minus, so 3 will come, sign of the bigger number. If you all have followed my first exercise, again I am repeating addition of the integers. If you all have followed that video, I have all shown all the rules. A separate short is also being created for you all to keep the rules in mind, so you all can watch that also. Then 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, the answer is 2. Minus 3 minus 6. Minus 3 minus 6. Many of you all are not able to write the numbers properly, therefore I am showing you with the textbook. अब minus and minus हो जाएगा plus, तो 6 and 3 हो जाएगा 9. Sign of the bigger number. 2 rules you all have to follow. पहले तो हमने साइंस का जो है, जैसे माइनस एंड माइनस प्लस, तो पहले प्लस कर लो एंड उसके बाद बड़े नंबर का साइन लगाना है. Next is minus 2 minus 6. So minus 2 minus 6 minus and minus plus. So 6 plus 2, 8, sign of the bigger number. Next is 3 minus 9. So 3 minus 9 minus होएगा, answer will be 6, sign of the bigger number. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. So 8 minus 9 minus होएगा, 9 में से 8 गया तो बचा 1, sign of the bigger number. minus 3 minus 9. minus 3 minus 9. Minus and minus plus, so 9 and 3 will be 12, sign of the bigger number. minus 2 minus 9. minus 2 minus 9. So minus and minus will be plus. So 9 plus 2, 11, sign of the bigger number. Next, 3 minus minus 4. 3 minus minus 4. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 minus and minus plus, and 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. 8 minus minus 4. 8 minus minus 4. So 8 minus and minus plus 4, this will be 12. minus 3 minus minus 4. minus 3 minus minus 4. So minus 3 जैसा है वैसे, minus and minus plus 4 plus and minus and plus minus, तो 4 में से 3 गया 1, sign of the bigger number positive, तो plus हम नहीं लिखेंगे, we will keep it as it is. minus 2 minus minus 4. minus 2 minus minus 4. So minus 2 minus and minus plus 4, minus and plus minus, 4 में से 2 गया 6, sign of the bigger number तो plus, so we will keep it as it is. Got it children? So it is very easy. ऐसे ही हमने solve करने हैं बाकी सारे sums. Let's solve the next one. 3 minus 5. So 3 minus minus 5, तो 3 minus and minus plus, तो ये हो जाएगा 8. 8 minus minus 5. 8 minus minus 5, तो 8 minus and minus plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sign of the bigger number. Got it children? तो इतना easy है solve करने के लिए. You don't have to worry. क्या करना है? Do it very slowly. Practice. Okay. So minus 3 minus minus 5. minus 3 minus minus 5. minus 3 जैसा है वैसे ही रहेगा. minus and minus plus 5. Again minus and plus minus. So 5 में से 3 गया बचा 2. Sign of the bigger number, that is plus. Next is minus 2 minus minus 5. minus 2 minus minus 5. minus 2 will remain as it is. plus 5, plus and minus minus, 5 में से 2 गया 3, and sign of the bigger number. Next is 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0, so the answer is going to be 3. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0, so 8. minus 3 minus 0 minus and minus plus, तो answer will be 3, but बड़े number का sign. Okay, so it is going to be minus 3. Next is going to be minus 2 minus 0 minus and minus plus, then 2 आएगा. Got it? Next is 3 minus plus 7. I will solve it over here only. 3 minus plus 7. So minus and plus minus, तो 3 में से 7 गया. Minus and plus minus, 7 minus 3 is going to be 4, sign of the bigger number. 8 minus plus 7. 8 minus plus 7. So 8 minus 7 is going to be 1. Okay, sign of the bigger number. Minus 3 minus plus 7. Minus 3 minus plus 7. So minus 3 plus and minus minus 7 minus and minus plus 7 plus 3 10, sign of the bigger number. Don't get confused. If you all are not able to understand this, do let me know in the comment section कि नहीं समझ में आया. Write this question and I will solve for you, tagging you along with this question so that you will be able to get the answer, and I will explain you in the form of shorts. Shorts में आएगा फिर वो video. Next is going to be minus 2 minus plus 7. Minus 2 minus plus 7. Minus 2 जैसा है वैसे ही, plus and minus minus 7. Minus and minus will be plus 7. Plus 2 is going to be 9. Sign of the bigger number. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. 2 more sets we have to complete, children. Okay, so अब आएगा 3 minus minus 8. 3 minus minus 8. So minus and minus will be plus. So the answer is going to be 11. 8 minus minus 8. 8 minus minus 8. So 8 plus 8 is going to be 16. Minus 3 minus minus 8. Minus 3 minus minus 8. Minus 3 will be as it is. Minus and minus plus 8. Plus and minus minus. 8 में से 3 गए, बचे 5. Sign of the bigger number plus है, तो we will keep it as it is. Next one is minus 3 हो गया. Minus 2 minus minus 8. Minus 2 minus minus 8. So minus 2 will come as it is. Minus and minus plus 8. Plus minus and plus again minus. So 8 में से 2 गए, बचे 6 and plus sign. Next is 3 minus minus 3. 3 minus minus 3. So 3 minus and minus plus 3. The answer is 6. 8 minus minus 3. 8 minus minus 3. So 8 plus 3 is going to be 11. Minus 3 minus minus 3. Minus 3 minus minus 3. So many minuses. Minus 3 minus and minus plus 3. You all can call it as positive and negative also, depending upon what you feel. So plus and minus minus. So the answer is going to be 0, क्योंकि हमें तो minus करना है. Next, minus 2 minus minus 3. Minus 2 minus minus 3. So minus 2 plus 3. Plus and minus minus 3 में से 2 गया, बचा 1. Sign of the bigger number मतलब positive number. यहाँ पे some children were finding it difficult in the last video also. Children, see, माइनस एंड माइनस ये प्लस साइन में चेंज हो जाता है. दिस वी विल कीप इट एज इट इज़. तो जब इसको माइनस करेंगे, क्यों करेंगे? माइनस एंड प्लस माइनस, इजंट इट? सो 3 में से 3 गया तो बचा तो 0. सो 0 को तो ना पॉजिटिव साइन है ना नेगेटिव साइन है. Okay, so remember you have to solve it in this way. While solving, still if there is any problem, do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.